for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, roof rack, power brakes, leather upholstery, airbags, front passenger knee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.